Good morning students and welcome to the first module of the chapter Knowing Our Numbers from class 6th. So in this chapter we will learn about the numbers and the number systems. As we go on studying about the different topics, we will be understanding these concepts, the numbers and the number system. We will try to understand the numbers. So first task for us is of comparing numbers and observe the numbers and find out the comparison or the difference. Okay, so comparing numbers. Okay, look at these are four different numbers. If I ask you what is the greatest number among these four numbers, we can clearly tell that 1001 is the greatest among these four numbers. And what is the smallest number? We can easily identify that 9 is the smallest number among these four. So, how to identify the greatest and the smallest number from a given collection of numbers, or how to compare numbers? So, first thing which comes to our mind is the number of digits. Okay, greater the number of digits, greater will be the number. Look here, this is a single digit number, this is a 2-digit number, 128 is a 3-digit number, and this is a 4-digit number. So greater the number of digits, greater will be the number. And second, what happens when all the numbers given are having same number of digits, like 128, 213, 165, 271 and so on. I have taken only these four numbers, 128, 213, 165 and 271. We see that all the four numbers are 3-digit numbers. So if we look at the number of digits, we will not be able to decide, because all the numbers are having 3 digits. Then what we have to do? So what we can do is we can look at the numbers which are placed at the higher values. So this place we can call it as ones place or units place, and regarding these values of places, the place values, we will learn in the upcoming modules. So for now you can remember that this place is called as the units place or the ones place. This place is called as the tens place, and the third digit to the left is the hundreds place. So we see that in all the three numbers we have a hundreds place. We can compare the hundreds place. See, in these two numbers, in hundreds place we have 1, and in these two numbers at hundreds place we have 2. So here we can say that greater the number at the greatest place value, greater will be the number. Greater the digit at the greatest place value, greater will be the number. So here it is 1, this is 100 and this is 2 in hundreds place, therefore it is 213. So the next thing which helps us is the position of digits at the larger place values. We can compare the digits at the larger place values. By comparing the digits at larger place values, we can decide that which number is greater. But again, we have two numbers which have the same digit in hundreds place. So what we can do? We can move to the next digit. This digit here at tens place is 1 and this digit here at tens place is 7. So greater the digit at the greater the place value, greater will be the number. So this is 7 and this is 1. We can clearly tell that 7 is greater than 1. Therefore 271 is the greatest number among these four numbers. Can you tell me the smallest number? Okay, so the smallest number here, these two numbers are having 1 in the hundreds place. Now we have to compare the digits at the tens place. Here the digit at tens place is 2 and the digit here at the tens place is 6. We clearly see that 6 is greater than 2. 6 is greater than 2. Therefore 128 is smaller than 165. Therefore the smallest number among the four numbers is 128. 128 is the smallest number and 271 is the greatest number in this collection of four numbers. So what is the process? We have to look at the highest place value and compare the digits at the highest place value. Greater the digit, greater will be the number. If both the digits, if at the greatest place value the digits are same, then we move on to the place value which is less than the earlier place value. Like the place value here is 100 and the place value here is 10. So we can move to the next place value. Like before 100 we have 10 and before 10 we have 1s. So this is how we compare numbers. So now we will learn how to make numbers. Making numbers. How many numbers can we make by using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4? So, how many 4-digit numbers we can make using these 4 digits? Or, let me change the question. This question is slightly difficult. Let me change the question. So, what is the greatest 4-digit number which can be made by using these 4 digits one at a time? Here we learn that greater the digit at the greatest place value, greater will be the number. So in a 4-digit there will be 4 places, 1's place, 10's place, 100's place and 1000's place. Suppose I want to find out the greatest number. What should I do? I should fill the place with highest place value with the biggest digit. The biggest digit here is 4. The next place which has the highest place value is 100. And the next digit which has the highest value is 3. So this place should be filled by 3. Now the next place value which is before this 100 is the tens, and the greatest digit which is left is 2, and we are left with only one place and a single digit, so this is 1 here. So this is the greatest number which we can make by using these 4 digits 1, 2, 3 and 4. What about the smallest number? Smallest number. What is the smallest number which we can make by using these 4 digits? So exactly opposite. What we have done here, we will follow the exactly opposite method. At the highest place value places, we will fill with the smallest digits. So here we will fill with 1, here we will fill with 2, here we will fill with 3, and here we will fill with 4. So 1234 is the smallest number. Now we learned how to find out, how to compare the numbers, and how to make the greatest number and the smallest number. Now we can understand or we can use this knowledge about numbers to arrange things. Like when we go to prayer for morning assembly, we stand in the order of increasing height. So that is like comparing the heights of the students. You compare the height and the child with the least height stands in the front. So this is how we can use this knowledge and we can stand in proper order according to weight. We can stand in proper order according to height. We can stand in proper order, or in higher classes we will learn how to use this technique to group the data. Now let us move on to one more example where we use this comparison. Like when we go to market for buying things. Suppose a shopkeeper is selling the bananas for 30 rupees per kg and another shopkeeper is selling for 40 rupees per kg. The knowledge of comparison of numbers will help us to identify from where we have to buy the bananas. The shopkeeper who is selling the bananas for 30 rupees per kg, we will buy from him because he is taking less money. And the other factor, of course, the other factors can be counted. Now, shifting the digits. How we can shift the digits and make greatest number the smallest number. This also we have learned how we shift the numbers to change the nature of the number. We shifted the digits to make it from the greatest to the smallest. Okay. So this is called as the shifting of digits. Place value. We will discuss about the place value and the naming, Indian system and the international system. That is Indian place value system and the international place value system in the next module. Whatever we have learned now, using these concepts, you can solve exercise 1.1 given in your textbooks. If you find any difficulty, if you have any doubt in the teaching, or if you have any doubt regarding the exercise, you can send your queries on my WhatsApp number. Thank you and have a happy learning.